Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to make a crochet rose leaf. Perfect to pair with your crochet roses or any floral project. It's quick, simple, and looks perfect. And don't forget, the free written pattern is available on my website. You'll find the link right down in the description. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and fun crochet tutorials just like this one. Let's get started.
Materials you will need.
Alright, we're starting with round 1. First, make a chain of 12. Now here comes the important part. Join your aluminum wire right here. You can use aluminum, or any kind of craft wire. I'm using 0.2 mm copper wire here. Just lay the wire along your chain, and crochet over it as you work the stitches. This helps shape the leaf and gives it a nice, sturdy edge you can bend and style later. Now we'll work into that chain like this. Start with a single crochet. Then do a double crochet. And after that, a treble crochet. Then, into the next 2 stitches, make 1 double treble in each stitch. In the following stitch, work 2 double trebles into the same stitch. Then continue with 1 double treble. Next, go ahead and do 1 treble crochet. Then make 1 double crochet. Then add 1/2 double crochet right after that. And finally, in the very tip of the leaf, make 3 single crochets into the last stitch. Now we're going to repeat those stitches in reverse order along the other side of the chain. Just follow the pattern you see on the screen. make a single crochet in the very last stitch. And then slip stitch into the first single crochet we made. Now time for round 2, which adds the edging. Start with a chain 1. Then slip stitch into the same stitch. Chain 1, then slip stitch again. Repeat this total 11 times. Now for the tip of the leaf, we'll add a picot stitch to give it a nice point. Here's how you make it. Slip stitch, then chain 1. Then slip stitch into the first stitch that we made now, and that's your picot. After that, continue. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, and repeat that 11 more times down the other side of the leaf. It's time to weave in the ends. Grab your yarn needle. Thread the tail through. And carefully weave it through the back of your stitches. Just a few times in different directions. This helps secure it nicely and keeps everything neat and tidy. Once that's done, just trim off the extra yarn and you're all set. Now just wrap the tail yarn around the wire and secure it in place. And that's it. You've got yourself a beautiful little crochet rose leaf. You can sew it next to a rose, attach it to a leaf stem, or you can pair it with any flower project that has similar leaves. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments